Hello, family. Today is a wonderful day. This is your brother Marquis, and I'm so happy to be with you. And today we are blessed to have this song, Odomankoma. All right. So today I'm showing you how to play only the intro. All right. So if you come to the left-hand side, the split voice is Cool Galaxy on Yamaha PSR E473, and that's number 19, and number 11 on Yamaha PSR E453 or E463. Okay, you are blessed to be here. And then the octave is +1. Internet sound is, okay, without the octave it's going to sound differently. All right, and on my right hand side I'm using 322, that's 60 ELP piano. Okay, but on Yamaha PSR E473 it's 383, that's 60 EL piano. Okay, all right, so the first thing is this. I'm taking it cool. Okay, the first one is Do. So after hitting this one, okay, so Obon is, so that's the first one. Obo, then the next chord you are going to strike on your left is La. Okay, then you come and hit this. Then you go back to So. Then you come to So. Before you hit, you repeat this again. Okay, so let's go again. One. Okay, so you come to ta 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 na ta na ta na Do ta na 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 na. That's how it goes. Okay, so let's go. That's it. Okay, that's for the first part. Please practice the way. I know this hand moving it is difficult, but try. Okay, now the next one, you quickly come and hit on the brass. The brass is the brass set is number 131 on Yamaha PSR E473, and E453 and E463 is number 119. Okay, then that one you come and hit. Okay. So that's all. Okay, that's all how to play it. So that is it. So practice until you become perfect.